Actually, hello everyone. I hope you guys doing well. And today I am going to teach you another four new characters from the 30 consonants. Okay, so how to read and how to write them and their meanings as well. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so these are the four new characters from the 30 consonants, okay, for today's class. Okay, let's start how to read and how to write them and their meanings as well. Okay, I will show you after this some of meaning, okay, of this. Okay, so and how to read, okay, this first one. Okay, so the first one is ka, ka, ka. Okay, ka. It's ka. Okay, so how to read, how to write ka? Uh, you can write it like this. Okay, and it's the first hit, then this, then like this. Okay, this is ka, 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 ka. Okay, then next one. Okay, next one, second one is cha, 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 cha. It is the medium tone. Okay, medium tone. Okay, so it's cha. So how to write the cha? You can write like this. It's very easy. Okay, and then you have to put here the hand, like hand. Okay, so it is cha, 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 cha. Okay, then after that, the third one is uh, nya. Okay, it's a nya, 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 nya. Okay, so how to write nya? You can write like this. Okay, then like this, then like this. Okay, it is nya, 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 nya. Okay, then the fourth one. Okay, fourth one is sha, 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 sha. Okay, so how to write sha? You can write like this. It is very easy also. Okay, it is sha, 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 sha. Okay, once again. Okay, follow me. Okay, the ka, 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 cha, 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 nya, 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 sha, sha, sha. Okay, so these two nya and sha is the color is green, so it means it's a lower tone. Okay, and right, this is the red color. Its color is red, so it means medium tone. Okay, you already know about these colors. Okay, I explained before. Okay, so the first one is high tone. Okay, it's a yellow one, so it's a high tone. Okay, ka here. Okay, ka, ha, ah. These are the three root of tone. Okay, now. Okay, that's it. Then I will show you the some of meanings. Okay, how can we make the words? Okay, okay. So here. Okay, so these are the meanings. Okay, so this one is ka, ka, wa, kawa, ka, wa, kawa, kawa. Okay, so I have to explain about this. Sorry, this one, this one. This is wa. So here it's a little bit different. Okay, in the actually in Tibet, we have there are two difference. The reading way. Okay, reading way. This one, the pronunciation. Okay, pronunciation. the two different pronunciation when reading. Okay, so the in Ujang side, it's the Lhasa side, Ujang side, and most of Kam side is they read in the consonants as pa, 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 and in the sentence, if it comes along, then it become wa, wa. Okay, but in Amdo side, the east of Tibet, side of the Tibet, the east side. Okay, they read is same in the consonant and in the sentence it's same pronunciation. It's a wa, wa, wa. In the consonants also wa, in the sentence also wa. Okay, in Lhasa and the Lhasa side and the Kham side, the most of people read it in the consonant it's pa, 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 and in the sentence if it is comes along, then it is will become wa, wa, wa. Okay, so here this is wa. Okay, so kawa, kawa. Okay, kawa, 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 kawa. Okay, kawa means it's pillar. Okay, pillar. Okay, and then the second one is nya. Nya means fish. Okay, this is a nya. Okay, and then third one is cha. Last lu ma, cha lu ma, cha lu ma, chaluma, chaluma. Okay, chaluma means this is chaluma, orange, chaluma, chaluma. Okay, and the fourth one is sha, naro, sho, sha, sha, naro, sho. Sho means this one, yogurt. Okay, sho, sho. Okay, this is sho. Okay, for today, that's it. Okay, I hope it helps to you guys a little bit. And next week, I will teach another four new characters. Okay, from the 30 consonants, and this is the fifth one. Okay, it's a fifth one. Okay, the next one is sixth one. Okay, okay, that's it. Then 토제나, 근데 제일 돼요. See you next.